Hi! I'm about to get ready to go to dinner. Oh man, do you see these handlines? 50 minutes to get ready and drive over to where I'm having dinner. So I gotta be fast. It usually takes me like 2 hours to get ready when I'm filming it, so my beauty blender is wet, all my products laid out. I'm gonna go dry my hair. I literally look naked and so weird. Bye. Hey! I didn't dry my hair all the way because I don't have the time nor the motivation. So I'm gonna start out with prepping my skin. This is almost out. It's like right there and I'm very upset. It's the Nourish Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum from Trader Joe's. We are now accepting skincare from Trader Joe's because it's good. This stuff is good. Then over that I put the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, I just take a little dollop. Okay, chapstick. So this is the Smith's Strawberry Lip Balm, a little tin. So for my skin, we're gonna start out with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. These are literally all my favorite products. That's what this video is, all my favorite products. Pro Conceal by LA Girl in Porcelain, the lightest shade. Now we're going to take another concealer, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and we're going to highlight a little bit more white. Highlighted areas and then lightly set my face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love this a lot, but it gives you flashbacks, so we're gonna take another powder over it. To set over all of that, I'm gonna take the Stay Matte powder by Rimmel in Transparent. Another translucent powder. I look real tan in my face, but not down here. For bronzing, I'm going to use Hoola by Benefit and bring that down on my chest a lot because I need the ornament. For blush, I'm going to use Dandelion by Benefit. For highlight, my holy grail product, Becca, what is this called again? Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to be using, the Legal Length by Maybelline. And this is pretty much the final look. This is just my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye! Just popping in to say, go watch my last video. I'll link it down below and in the cards, it's a story time, and it happened after this video that I filmed this video. I filmed this video before the story time. So go watch the story time. It's good. You'll be entertained. Drama. Sneak preview. My ex-boyfriend went to jail. Alright, bye.